name is Ben Sweet, and I'm a worship pastor in Irvine, California at a church called Voyagers. I've been leading worship for a little over 6 years. I was leading worship at a large church, and in that 6 years experienced some pretty intense fatigue and burnout, and kind of as a result of just overcommitment and doing things in my own strength, and it got to a point where I didn't even want to do ministry anymore. Kind of at the tail end of my time away from ministry and kind of figuring some things out is when Justin reached out to me and invited me to the Likewise worship retreat. And although resistant at first, I ended up going, and that was where God met me. I think the thing that was the most impactful about the retreat was twofold. I think the first thing was that I was surrounded by a community of other people that did the same thing as me, were passionate about the same things as me, and faced the same struggles. And so I wasn't alone in the things that I was experiencing. And then I would say the second thing is that Likewise gave me a place to have accountability and not suffer silently. As a worship pastor, you're constantly expected to pour out. And if you don't have a filling station or a place to get re-poured back into, discipled or encouraged, you'll run on empty. And so Likewise is a safe haven for vehicles running on empty that God wants to reuse, repurpose, and restore back to being used for His glory and His kingdom. The work of ministry is way too much for you to do on your own. So I would say get plugged into a community and start there and see what God can do in and through you. And Likewise has been that for me.